Good morning, students. In the previous class, I was teaching Sandhi chapter. 3 Sandhis I had taught you. Savarnadrika Sandhi, Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi. Remaining Sandhis, I am going to send it by video because if I teach all Sandhis at once, you will get confused with all symbols. So I am teaching now the first lesson, Dve Vidye Veditavye. Dve Vidye Veditavye means, Dve Vidya means two types of knowledge to be studied. Two types of knowledge to be studied. What are the two types of knowledge? One type is the knowledge which is required to lead a happy life in this world. ಇಹಲೋಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯೆ one type. Another type is about spiritual knowledge. When you hear spiritual knowledge, you may think, why it is necessary for us? Atma, Paramatma, philosophy. Why it is needed for us? We are all youngsters. There is no necessary for us. This knowledge is required only for old age people or for retired people. Students, if you think like this, you are absolutely incorrect. The spiritual knowledge is much more required to the youngsters than old people, because the old people have seen the life, but the youngsters not yet seen. So this knowledge is very much required for youngsters. Then what is the spiritual knowledge? Spiritual knowledge is dealing with the reality of life. ಜೀವನದ ಸತ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಅದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Then what is the reality of life? You have seen in Sukti Kusmani I had told, Asha Gariyasi. The desire is topmost of all, even Brahma, even Almighty. It is the strongest of all. Yaudo? Ase, desire. These youngsters, they are over ambitious. They want to achieve so many things. When they are in the race to achieve so many things, they will be victimized by so many negative thoughts. What are those? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsara. Desire. Topmost, first place is for desire, Asha. When our wish is not fulfilled, we will be angry. Krodha. Kama, Krodha. Then Lobha, greed. By hook or crook, I must get it. Like that attitude comes. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, ignorance. I don't know whether I am going in a right path or wrong path. Only I should get that thing. That is only in my mind. Mada. Mada means arrogance, ahankar. Matsara, jealous. All these 6 negative thoughts will attack human beings like virus to the computer. If the virus is attacked, if the computer is attacked by the virus, what happens? It will be useless. In the same manner, a human being is not of use for anybody when these 6 thoughts are completely attacked him. Now, then what is the reality of life? Before our arrival to this earth, so many people had come, high personalities, high thoughts people, dignitaries, all had come and they have gone. Now we are here for some years, again we will go. Then our successors will come again. They will also go. So Jivana Chakra, it is like a cycle. Coming and going, coming and going. Nobody is permanent on this land. You ask one question to yourself. Before my date of birth, plus 9 months in the womb of mother, ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮ ದಿನಾಂಕ ಮತ್ತು 9 ತಿಂಗಳು ತಾಯಿಯ ಉದರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಥ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ವೇರ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, in which form I was? You ask. No answer. When we are here means we must have been there that time also, but we don't know that. Now we are here after 100 years. Maximum lifespan 100 years. After 100 years, where I will go? What is my destination? What will I do? In which form I will be? No answer. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಉತ್ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ನೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್. For some period, we are here. This is the reality of life. This we must understand. When we know this, one more example, we go to foreign countries with some amount of money. We stay for some days or some months or some years. Then after that, we'll come back to our native place, our home. In the same manner, this is the foreign land. We have come from some place, some destination. We will do our duties. We will finish off and again we will return to that our native home. Illiruvodu summane, alliruvodu nammane. That is the reality. If the person who knows this reality, he will not commit any mistakes. This is about the spiritual knowledge. If I know this, whatever I do, as far as possible, I will try to do good things. Why to commit bad things? Why to hurt others? Why to harm others? Because these are not permanent. I have to live one day, everything here and I should go. ನಮಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರವಾದಂಥ ಈ ಶರೀರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ we have to live here and our soul will only go. That is the reality of earth. The person who knows this very well, he will have the balance over his emotions. The person will not be greedy. He will not be over ambitious. He will do whatever he can and he will be satisfied with what God has given to him. ದೇವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇರೋರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಹೋಗೋರಲ್ಲ. You must have heard old people saying this. But students, remember this. It is applicable to you also. See, the person thinking that he is permanent on this earth, he will do what all the negative things, all bad things. Only he wants money, power, everything. He may be popular for few days. He may be successful. It looks like he is successful for in the beginning. But the end is tragedy. I think you are daily reading the newspaper, TV, so many celebrities, So popular, we are all having so much of good opinion about them. But now we are seeing what all the things are going with them because ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. They went in a wrong path, so the tension. The person will be having, for overlook we can see that a person is very rich, very handsome or beautiful, very powerful, he is having very power, all no problem for others we think, but that person will not have mental peace. Manasika khinnata, mental depression, you must have seen in the paper. Because of depression, what all they do? Why? Because they run behind the demands. Their demands are not limited. As long as our demands, wishes are limited, we cannot get the peace of mind. This is the reality of life. This is the basis of all spiritual knowledge. Why this is given? The first lesson is only this. For Sanskrit students, you are very lucky because you are learning a most valuable things in your life. The first lesson is Ve Vidya Vedita Ve. If you read like this, if you read this lesson, if you know these ideas, then you will have a balanced emotions. You will be happy with what God has given to you. You will never compare with others. These are all described in this lesson. Okay, I hope you have understood now the clear. Whatever you are learning, it is very essential to fulfill your dreams. But spiritual knowledge is very, very important to lead a peaceful life. Achieving your aim in a very peaceful and correct track. You have to run in the correct track. What happens if you run in the wrong track? You'll be out. So, this lesson is very, very important. So, this translation, both in Kannada and English, I am sending by PDF file. So, you can take the printout. Now, two types of knowledge to be studied. Veditavye. It is Vidyartha Kridanta Tavyat Pratyaya. See, there are two types of knowledge. One, Brahma Vidya, Paravara Vidya. Brahma Vidya means spiritual knowledge, Adhyatma Vidya. Who preached this Brahma Vidya first? Brahma Vidya was preached by Brahma first. As the name only suggests, Brahma. Then Brahma imparted this Brahma Vidya to his eldest son, Atharva. Atharva was his eldest son, he preached this. Then Atharva, he preached the sage Angiras. Okay. One question is there. Brahma Vidyayaha Paramparam Likhata. Tritrayavake question is there. You have to write in the mother tongue, English or Kannada. Atharva taught this knowledge to Angiras. Then Angiras taught this Brahma Vidya to Bharadwaj. Truthful Bharadwaj. Satyavanta Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj ಋಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೌನಕ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗೃಹಸ್ಥ, ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಂಗಿರಸರು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಟು ಅಥರ್ವ, ಅಥರ್ವ ಟು ಅಂಗಿರಸ್, ಅಂಗಿರಸ್ ಟು ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ and ಶೌನಕ. Okay. Now, this Bharadwaj, student of Angiras, he taught in return to his guru Paravara Vidya to Angiras. What is this Paravara Vidya? Paravara Vidya is the knowledge that has come from line of teachers to students, line of preceptors to disciples. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಇನ್ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. Whatever is taught to Bharadwaj by his preceptors, he taught to his guru. Angiras. Angiras is Guru and student, both. Okay, this is the parampara of Brahma Vidya and Paravara Vidya. Okay, there are 4 Vedas, you know, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Atharveda and Samaveda. This Devidya Patha is selected from one Upanishad called Mundakopanishad. There are hundreds of Upanishads, but 10 are very, very important. Isha, Kena, Kata, Prashna, Mundaka, Mandukya, Aittariya, Taittariya, Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka, like this. 10 Upanishads are very, very important. Each Veda has 4, that is Samhita, Brahmanam, Aranyakam and Upanishad. Upanishad is the end part of Veda. So it is called as Vedanta. It is called as Vedanta. Upanishad is equal to Vedanta. What is the meaning of Upanishad? Upanishad meaning, in those days there were no printouts, no pen, no paper. So Guru used to teach orally and student used to sit nearby teacher and he used to learn oral teaching and learning. That is Upanishad. The spiritual knowledge preached by Guru to student who sits near by the teacher. That is Upanishad. It is, Upanishad is equal to, how this word has come. Upa plus Ni plus Sad. Sad is the root, with this means the knowledge received by the student sitting near the teacher. That is spiritual knowledge, Upanishad. The knowledge received by student who sits nearby Guru. That is spiritual knowledge. Okay. Now, whatever I have told, all these are in first para, Peethika. Now, second para, page number 3 you open. Second para I will read. Prakritah ve vidye veditavye iti pathaha. This lesson, Atharva Veda Antargatayaha. It is in Atharva Veda, Mundakopanishad, Prathama Khanda, first chapter. Sangrahita, selected. Sangrahita, can you tell? It is Bhutakritanta Taprataya. Asmin Pathe, Shaunaka iti grahastha. Shaunaka iti grahastha. Adhyatma Vidyam Praptum. This Vidya, Brahma Vidya is called as Adhyatma Vidya. Praptum. Angirasa Samipam Gatva. He comes to Angiras. Vidya Vishekam Prashnam Prachati. He asks, what is that spiritual knowledge? What is the reality of life? Guru Tasmai Aksharam Upadishati. Akshara. Kshara means destruction. Akshara means no destruction. Avinashi, imperishable, indestructible. Vishwamidam akshara sambhavati iti. This universe is created by imperishable. We are all perishable. We are like passengers traveling the same train. When our stop comes, we will get down and we will go. Remaining will travel in the train. This earth is like a train. we are all traveling. Okay, so aksharat sambhavati iti pratipadayati. He narrates that this whole universe is created by akshara. Now first shloka. Om Brahma Devanam Prathama Sambhubhuva. It is very easy. Brahma is the Prathama, first of all gods. Who is he? Vishwasya Karta. He is Vishwasya Karta. He is the creator of the universe. Bhuvanasya Gopta. He is the protector of the universe. Gopta means protector. ಈ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಶ್ವದ ರಕ್ಷಕನಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವತೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಆತ ಪ್ರಥಮನಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಂ ಪ್ರಾಹ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಹ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಂ ಪ್ರಾಹ. ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಹಿ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾ. ಪ್ರಾಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಉಲ್ಟ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ ಪುತ್ರಾಯ. ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ ಪುತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸನ್. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನು ತನ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಮಗನಾದ ಅಥರ್ವನಿಗೆ, ಉಲ್ಟ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಅಥರ್ವಾಯ. ಅಥರ್ವಾಯ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ ಪುತ್ರಾಯ ಪ್ರಾಹ. ತನ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪುತ್ರನಾದಂತ ಅಥರ್ವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಹಿ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸನ್ ಅಥರ್ವ. ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಸರ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಂ. ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತನ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಮಗನಾದ ಅಥರ್ವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಹಿರಿಯ ಮಗನಾದಂತಹ ಅಥರ್ವನಿಗೆ. ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಸನ್ ಅಥರ್ವ. ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್? He told ಅಥವಾ he preached Brahmavidya. How is it? It is the basis. Sarvavidya Pratistham. It is the basis of all knowledge. He told Brahma, he is the creator of the universe and he is the protector also. And he is the first of all gods. Okay. I hope you have understood this first shloka. Now second shloka. From Atharva, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತದು? From Atharva to Angiras, Angiras to Bharadwaj. This is described in second shloka. Atharvane yam pravadeta Brahma. Brahma yam Atharvane pravadeta. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಅಥರ್ವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಟು ಅಥರ್ವ. ಅಥರ್ವ ತಾಂ ಅದನ್ನ ಪುರೋವಾಚ ಅಂಗಿರೇ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಂ. ತಾಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಂ ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಅಂಗಿರೇ ಪುರೋವಾಚ. ಅಂಗಿರಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಿರಿ. ಅಂಗಿರಸರಿಗೆ ಅಥರ್ವನು ಹೇಳಿದ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಿಂದ ಪಡೆದ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಅಥರ್ವರು ಅಂಗಿರಸರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. Atharva preached Brahmavidya which is gained by Brahma to Angiras. Atharva preached Brahmavidya to Angiras which was got by Brahma. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಥರ್ವ ತಾಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಂ ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಪುರೋವಾಚ ಅಂಗಿರೆ ಅಂಗಿರಸರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದುದು? ಯಾ ಪ್ರವದೇತ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನು ಹೇಳಿದಂತಹ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಅಂಗಿರಸರಿಗೆ ಅಥರ್ವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಸಹ. ಸಹ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಅಂಗಿರಸ. ಸಹ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜಾಯ ಸತ್ಯವಹಾಯ. ಸತ್ಯವಹ ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೇಜ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ. ಅವರು ಅಂಗಿರಸರು ಸತ್ಯವಂತನಾದ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಏನನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದರು? ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಂ ಪ್ರಾಹ. ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜರು ಅಂಗಿರಸರು ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅಂಗಿರಸ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾ ಟು ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ನೌ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಅಂಗಿರಸೆ ಪರಾವರಾಮ್, ಪರಾವರ ವಿದ್ಯಾ. ಇನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ Angirasa got, Angirasa preached Brahma Vidya to Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj in return, Paravara Vidya, that is the traditional knowledge. Bharadwaj in return taught Paravara Vidya to Angiras. Paravara Vidya means what? The knowledge which has come from the succession of Guru to disciples. ಗುರುವಿನಿಂದ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಂದ ಅವರ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಂದ ಅವರ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ, ಹೀಗೆ which has come in the succession, that knowledge Bharadwaj preached to Angiras. I hope you have understood. Okay. Bharadwajo Angirase. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಂಧಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅ, ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಗೀರಸೆ. ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಗೀರಸೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೌ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ between Angiras and Shaunak. Angiras and Shaunak. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವಿನ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಗುರುವಿನ ಸಮರ್ಪಕ ಉತ್ತರ. The question by Shishya and the appropriate answer by Guru. This is all about Vevidya Veditave. Angirasa told to Shaunaka 2 types of knowledge are to be studied. Now, Shaunakoha vai Mahashalo. Mahashala. Mahashala means great householder. He is not a sage. Bharadwaj sage, Angiras sage, but Shaunaka a great householder. Grahastha. Shaunakoha vai Mahashalo. Yes is equal to a. Angirasam vidhivat upasannaha. He approached Angiras as per the procedure, as per the scripture. ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಾಗಿ ಶೌನಕ ಅಂಗಿರಸನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದರು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಶೌನಕ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಗುರು Angiras as per the procedure. Now see, you have taken admission in Prerna College and you are getting links and proper online lessons, everything you are getting as per the procedure. So officially you are the student of this Prerna College. In the same manner, Shaunaka approached Angiras vidhivat as per the scriptures. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಅಂಗಿರಸನನ್ನ ಸಮೀಪಿಸಿ ಪಪೃಚ್ಛ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆತ? ಕಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಭಗವೋ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತೆ ಸರ್ವಮಿದಂ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಭವತಿ ಇತಿ. ಭಗವನ್ ಕಸ್ಮಿನ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತೆ, ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಪೂಜ್ಯರೇ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್ವಮಿದಂ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಭವತಿ. ಸರ್ವಮಿದಂ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಭವತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರೋ? ಶೌನಕ ಅಂಗಿರಸನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ If you know the materialistic knowledge, it is not complete. If you know spiritual knowledge, your knowledge is complete. There is no chance of going in a wrong track. The person who knows very well spiritual knowledge, the reality of life, he will never commit any mistakes. Always will be liked by everybody. Because he will be having control over emotions. He will be having viveka, thinking capacity. He knows what to do and what not to do. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, that discriminating power he will be having. ಸೊ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಶೌನಕ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ, which one to be understood? ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, by knowing which knowledge, all the knowledge is understood ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಗವೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಪೂಜ್ಯರೇ, ಕಸ್ಮಿನ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತೆ, ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸರ್ವಮಿದಂ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಭವತಿ ಇತಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭವತೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಧಿ ಇದೆ, ಸವರ್ಣದ ಸಂಧಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕವೀಂದ್ರ ಕವೀಂದ್ರ ಕವೀಂದ್ರ, ಹಾಗೆ ಭವತಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತಿ, ಭವತಿ ಇತಿ ಭವತೀತಿ. ಈ ಇದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸವರ್ಣ ದೀರ್ಘ ಸಂಧಿ. ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ? ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಭೂತಕೃದಂತ ತ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ, ಗತಃ ಗತ ಗತಂ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಃ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತಂ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಭೂತಕೃದಂತ ತ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ. ವಿಧಿವದುಪಸನ್ನ, ವಿಧಿವತ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಉಪಸನ್ನ, ತ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಜಸ್ತ್ವ ಸಂಧಿ. ತ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ, ಕ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಗ, ಚ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜ, ಟ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡ, ಪ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಭ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್. ಕ ಚ ಟ ತ ಪ is equal to ga ja da da ba. This is called Jastva Sandhi. I think you have studied in 10th standard. Okay. Now, Sarvamidam Vijnatam. Now, I hope you have understood. Now, by knowing what, everything will be understood. That is, by knowing what means he is asking about the spiritual knowledge. He asked the teacher to describe the nature of spiritual knowledge. Okay. Now, tasmai sa hovacha. Tasmai. Tasmai andre ಶೌನಕನಿಗೆ. ಟು ಶೌನಕ ಸಹ ಹೋವಾಚ. ಸಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಿರಸ. ಶೌನಕನಿಗೆ ಅಂಗಿರಸನು ಹೇಳಿ, ತಸ್ಮೈ ಸಹ ಉವಾಚ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಿರಸ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಶೌನಕ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ? ಹೋವಾಚ. ಒಂದು ಸಂಧಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೋ, ಓ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಸಂಧಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್? ಓ, ಸೂರ್ಯೋದಯ, ಚಂದ್ರೋದಯ, ಪರೋಪಕಾರ, ನವೋದಯ, ಹಿತೋಪದೇಶ. I had given you so many examples in the same manner. Hovacha, ha plus uvacha, gunasandhi. He told means he means Angiras told, dve vidye veditavye. Dve vidye, two types of knowledge are to be studied. Two types of knowledge are to be studied. Iti. What is that? Yat brahmavido vadanti. Brahmavit. Brahmavit means Brahmanic scholars. Brahmanic scholars tell two types of knowledge are to be studied. Brahmavit. Brahmavit andre one who knows Brahmavidya. Vadanti. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಪರ ಚೈವಾಪರಾಚ. ಪರ ಚೈವಾಪರ. ಚೈವಾಪರ ಸಂಧಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದ? ಚೈವಾಪರ. Can you tell the sandhi symbol? Just you think. Chai. Chai is equal to I. I is the symbol of Vruddhi Sandhi. Para, Chaivapara. See? Chaivapara. Here on Sandhi, here on Sandhi. Chai. I is equal to A. So, Cha plus Evapara. Cha, A, Chai. Here is one more sandhi. Cha plus here. Va plus apara. Paracha eva aparacha. What are the names of two knowledge? Para and apara. These are the two types of knowledge. Para and apara. Para cha eva apara cha. Two types of knowledge. Okay. Now, the question is this is द्वे विद्ये के एक वाक्य उत्तर लिखता द्वे विद्ये के द्वे विद्ये यावुवु what are two vidyas द्वे विद्ये परा अपरा च now bhuvanasya gopta kaha see the meaning gopta means protector who is the protector of the universe Bhuvanasya Gopta Brahma. Okay, Brahma is Gopta protector. Angi kasmai Brahma Vidyam Proktavan. Angi andru onde, Angira andru onde, Angiras andru onde. Kasmai yarige Brahma Vidyanu helidru. To whom did Angiras preach Brahma Vidya? To whom? In this lesson is between Angiras and Shaunaka. So you write Angihi Shaunakaya Brahma Vidya Proktavan. Understood? Angihi Shaunakaya Brahma Vidya Proktavan. Mahashalaha kaha. First you should know what is the meaning of Mahashala. Mahashala means Grahastha. Who is the great householder? Mahashalaha Shaunakaha. Okay. Now, Dvitraya Vakya question is there. Brahma Vidyayaha Paramparam Likhata. Brahma Vidya Parampara. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? I explained you so many times. Brahma Vidya, Brahma preached Brahma Vidya to Atharva, the eldest son of Brahma. One. Then Atharva preached Brahma Vidya to Angiras. Angiras preached Brahma Vidya to Bharadwaj, who is very truthful. Okay. And Shaunaka, who is a great householder. In this way, this is the parampara of Brahma Vidya. Now, in the third main, Pathanama Ullikya Kaha Kam Prati Avadat. Reference to context. It has already come in the lesson Sanmitra. Sarvamidam vijnatam bhavati iti. First you should know the meaning. Sarvamidam vijnatam bhavati. Everything will be understood. By knowing what? Everything will be understood. Who asked? If you know the meaning of the question, you need not read the lesson only. By knowing what? Everything will be understood. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಶೌನಕಃ ಅವದತ್ ಅಂಗಿರಸಂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಅವದತ್. Shaunaka asked, respected one, by knowing what, everything will be understood. So Shaunaka avadat angirasam prati avadat. First will be idam vakyam dve vidye veditavye iti patha swikritam. This sentence is compulsory for all the reference to quantity. You should not forget it because it gets 1 mark. Kaha avadat, half mark. Kam prati avadat, half mark. Totally 2 mark question. Okay. Next, it has come in the year 2014-15. Sarvamidam vijnatam bhavati iti. Now second one, parachaiva paracha. Just now I have split here. Parachaiva paracha. It has come in the year 2016, 17, 18. Who told this? Shaunaka asked, by knowing what, everything will be understood. Then Angirasa answered, that is called as para and apara. Para chaiva paracha. Like this, Brahmanis scholars tell 2 types of knowledge. Para chaiva para. Paracha aparacha. Now the answer, idam vakyam dve vidye veditavye iti patat swikritam. Leave 1 line. Then kahavadat angirasaha avadat. Leave 1 line. To whom did he tell? Shaunakam prati avadat. Now fill in the blanks. Brahma devanam dash sambabhuva. It has come in the year 2014 and 15. Brahma devanam prathamaha sambabhuva. You must know the meaning of the question. Then only you can select the answer given in the bracket. Illandre ಕಣ್ಣಿದ್ದು ಕುರುಡು, ಕಿವಿಯಿದ್ದು ಕಿವುಡು, ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. First you should know the meaning of the sentence. Brahma devanam prathama sambhuva. Brahma is the first of all gods. Now second one, sarva vidya pratishtham dash jeshtaputraya praha. Who is Jeshtaputra? Atharvaya. Brahma told to his eldest son Atharva, Brahma Vidya, which is the basis of all knowledge. Now third one, Shaunakoha vai mahashalongirasam dash upasannaha papricha. Vidhivat. As per the procedure, he approached, Shaunaka approached Angiras and asked. Shaunakoha vai mahashalo, he is a great householder. Angirasam vidhivat upasannaha. As per the procedure, he approached and asked. Okay, now fourth one.